Installing mods in Minecraft on macOS is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to curseforge.com/download. You can find the link in the description. Now once you get there, you're going to click on download CurseForge Mac. If you do not see this prompt here, you can click on more download options and you're going to see all of it here. You download for macOS, you download for Linux, or you download for Windows. But we're going to choose macOS. Now that we have that downloading, what we're going to do is we're going to click on open. And since it's a DMG file, we're going to drag CurseForge to our application. Once that's done, you're going to hear that sound and you're going to close this up. You're going to go to search and you're going to type CurseForge. Now we have CurseForge here. We're going to click on open. And we have CurseForge downloaded. From here, we're going to click on continue. We're going to continue as a guest. And where it says choose a game, we're going to click on Minecraft. We're going to click on the standard version and we're going to click on continue. And we're going to launch with either CurseForge or we launch with Mojang. But we're going to click on launch with Mojang and we're going to click on continue. Now to install the mods, what we're going to do is we're going to click on create. We're going to give the mod a name, let's say macOS mods. We're going to choose a version of Minecraft. Choose the latest version, I advise that. And here we're going to choose the mod loader. If you're confused on which one to choose, you choose the fabric because that actually works with a lot of mods. And here we have the mod loader version and we're going to click on create. We're going to wait for it to finish installing. After the mod is done creating, you're going to click on the icon, not on the play button, on the icon. Once you click on it, on the far right, you're going to see where it says add content. Now this is where you're going to add your mod. Once you click on add content, every mod that loads here, it becomes easy for you to install it into your mods by simply clicking on the install button. So once you click on the install button, your mods get installed into your mod folder. Now once your mods are done installing, what you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to see your mods under the folder that you created. Now you can either choose to click on play here or you can go back to your mods and then you click on play here. Now once you click on play, what's going to happen is that it's going to launch Minecraft via CurseForge, and you're still going to have the same game that you have, but this time it's going to launch it through CurseForge. And as you can see, it's updating Minecraft launcher and downloading update files. And what that's going to do is it's going to include your mods into the game now. Once Minecraft has launched, you're possibly going to be asked to sign in again, like I'm doing. And once Minecraft has loaded, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side of the Minecraft window and you're going to click on Minecraft Java Edition and you're going to click on play and it's going to show you a pop-up and you're going to click on this here. It's going to load up, let's mute this up, and it's going to load up the game with your mods all installed in it. And if you installed shaders also, it's going to load up the game with shaders also installed in it. And just like that, you should have your mods in your Minecraft game. And that's how to install mods in Minecraft on macOS. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.